Welcome back, fellow explorers. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to discover the world of online and offline earning opportunities. Whether you're looking to earn extra income or achieve financial independence, this channel, EarnXplorer, is your compass to navigate the vast ocean of earning potential.
Hey there, adventurers. I'm Mike, your guide and fellow explorer in this thrilling quest. On EarnXplorer, we delve into the art of earning, sharing potent techniques, valuable information, and industry insights. Join me as we unlock the key to a world of financial abundance.
In the ever-evolving digital landscape, countless opportunities await for those looking to earn online. Discover proven techniques such as freelance work, online surveys, content creation, and affiliate marketing. We'll bring you step-by-step guidance on how to enter these domains and maximize your earning potential. Offline earning? Yes, it's true. While the digital world captures much of our attention, let's not forget about the wealth of opportunities outside the virtual realm. From traditional investments to real estate ventures and entrepreneurship, we'll explore various offline avenues that can bring you financial success. Caution is key when venturing into the world of investments. I've personally researched and analyzed multiple companies operating in the market, specifically focusing on those promising returns on investment, ROI. Join me in uncovering the truth behind these companies, their track record, and the risks involved, so you can make informed decisions. One of my passions is cryptocurrency trading, and I believe it can be a game changer in your earning journey. I'll share my experiences, strategies, and tips for getting started in the exciting world of crypto trading. From analyzing market trends to managing risk, we'll cover it all, empowering you to make smart investment decisions. Are you ready to embark on this thrilling expedition? Together, we'll uncover hidden treasures of knowledge, learn powerful techniques, and explore both the online and offline realms of earning. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode of EarnXplorer. Until then, keep exploring and stay earning, my friends.